All right, you guys, so we're going to do a quick walkthrough of House of the Rising Sun. So there are 16 chords, and the easiest way to remember them is in 4 groups of 4. So the first 4 are A minor, C, D, and we're doing F like this, which is first finger, a bar of the first 2 strings on the first fret, so 2 first frets, then second finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then ring finger, 3rd fret, 4th string. And that means we won't be playing any bass notes here, no 5th or 6th string. The lowest note you can hit is the 4th string. So again, the first 4 chords are A minor, C, D, F. The next 4 are A minor and C again, and then E twice. Then we play our beginning 4 again. So A minor, C, D, F. Now the last 4 are slightly different. A minor to E, A minor to E7, and we're doing E7 like this. So 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, 1st finger, 1st fret, 3rd string, and 4th finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And then we either repeat all 16 chords, or we can just end on an A minor chord. So I'm going to go through all 16, and remember the first 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, and 12 are the same as the first 4. So here I go. So A minor, C, D, F is the first thing to memorize, because that's going to happen twice in our progression. So A minor, C, D, F, and now I get my second group of 4, A minor, C, E twice. And then I get my 4 chord pattern that I've memorized, A minor, C, D, F, again. And then A minor, E, A minor, E7. And then I start over, or I repeat. Here I go without any talking. And then either repeat or end. All right, we're going to use 2 different patterns for our right hand, so one or the other, probably don't mix. The rule will always be that our arpeggio fingers are pretty normal from the way we always practice. So we have the thumb on a low string, either 6, 5, or 4, and then we have fingers I, M, and A, so index, middle, ring, on strings. Index I is on 3, middle, M is on 2, A, ring, is on 1. They're always going to be there through this whole song. They'll never change. The only thing that will change is the thumb. So the rule for the thumb in this song is the thumb note will always be the lowest note you're allowed to play of your chord. So the lowest note of an A chord, since A minor is a 5-string chord, our lowest note allowed is 5th string. On D, we have a 4-string chord. That means our lowest note, our thumb note, is going to be string 4. F, also string 4. C, string 5 because it's a 5-string chord. And E is a 6-string. So thumb goes to 6. So our 2 patterns are going to be, I'm just going to do my thumb on 5 to practice. So fingers in their normal arpeggio pattern, and my thumb is going to be on the 5th string for now. So option 1 is just the one we practice a lot in class, which is P-I-M-A-M-I. So thumb, I-M-A-M-I. And then you just do that pattern once per chord. So option 1 is go through all 16 chords, P, I, M, A, M, I. The only change you make besides changing your chords is that your thumb changes depending on what you're allowed to play in the chord. Here I go. P, I, M, A, M, I. C chord. D, F, A minor, C, and now twice on E. A minor, C, D, F again. And then A minor, E, A minor, E7. And then I can just strum an A minor, or maybe play fingers and thumb all together to end. So our other option for this one is our right hand pattern is going to be slightly more complicated. Not much. The rhythm's just a little bit hard to get at first, but once you have it in your head, it'll be fine. This one's a little bit more like the real song. It's much closer to what they actually do in the song. So this one is an extra P stroke. So normally we do P, I, M, A, M, I. We practice that all the time. This one just does P twice. P, P, I, M. So there's an extra, and they're a little bit faster, that second group. So thumb by itself, then you play thumb again, and then I, M, P, I, M, and then A, M, I like always. So the pattern is P, P, I, M, A, M, I, P, P, I, M, A, M, I. And then we just need to apply that to our chords. So each chord gets one of those patterns. So A minor, P, P, I, M, A, M, I. C chords, P, I, M, A, M, I. And just remember to change your thumb depending on the bass note you're allowed in your chord. P, P, I, M, A, M, I. P, P, I, M, A, M, I. And then our E7, and then we end. So I'm going to put on a metronome just so you guys can hear the beats all the way through, and I'm just going to play both patterns all the way through. So it's a really good idea to memorize the chord pattern and be able to kind of think it in your head outside of what your hands are doing. So you need to know that you can do in your mind A minor, C, D, F, then A minor, C, E, E, then A minor, C, D, F again, and then A minor, E, A minor, E7. And then we end or we repeat. So I'm going to do this metronome speed, and I'm going to do the first pattern the first time through, then I'm going to repeat, do the second pattern through the second time, and then end. Second pattern. fun.